Welcome to Pimpy's Investment Chat, where we keep investment talk simple. And here's your host, Pimpy.
What is going on out there, peeps? All right, so somebody brought to my attention that there's a rumor going around that Kucoin had a leaked email encouraging their users to short the value of Shiba. If this is true, this would be why Shiba was going on such a good run and then all of a sudden started losing its value. That's if what they're saying is true. So we're going to look into this and see if this is legit, or could it just be a misunderstanding? Before we get started, hit the thumbs up button, because when you do, it helps us get past the algorithm that YouTube puts on us and keeps us from being shadow banned. If you're not a subscriber, please do so, because when you do, it helps out the channel, and I surely do appreciate it. The disclaimer here is I'm not a financial advisor, a lawyer, or an accountant. The information that I share with you, I do freely. It is of my own opinion. Hey folks, just a quick reminder that back in 2008 and 9, a lot of people lost all of their retirement savings and their 401ks and IRAs because they did not own gold and silver. Yeah, that's right. Gold and silver protects you from a market crash. So do yourself a favor, protect your retirement by purchasing gold and silver. You can go to moneymetals.com, reach out to them, and they will help you set yourself up to protect you and your family from having to start all over from scratch. If you're a first-time buyer and you spend more than $100, use promo code Pimpy, P-I-M-P-Y, and they will send along with your order a free half ounce of silver. So folks, do yourself a favor, head on over to moneymetals.com and protect you and your family from a market crash, as well as inflation. That's right, head on over to Money Metals when you want to buy gold and silver. Keep in mind, if you're a first-time buyer and you spend more than $100, use promo code Pimpy, P-I-M-P-Y, and you will get a free half ounce of silver. Hey, right now, a special offer for my audiences only. You have a chance to win 100 free American Silver Eagles. That's over $3,000 in value. And all you have to do is enter your email to win. That's it. That's right, there's no obligations to purchase. The link is down below in the description, so head on over there, enter to win. You have between now and December 31st of this year to enter. The only way you can for sure not win 100 silver American Eagles is by not entering at all. So do yourself a favor and enter your email so you have a chance to win. People keep asking me, where is the link, Pimpy? It's real simple. If you're at my page on YouTube and you're watching any of the videos, any of them, you see the video here and you scroll down, see my name right here? If you go here where it says show more and you click it, here's all the links to the things you have access to. If you want to enter into the competition to win 100 free medals, just click it right here and it'll take you to the website where you can sign up. If you want to buy and own physical gold and silver, just click this link right here and it'll take you to the Money Metals website. And if you're thinking about buying cryptocurrencies, just scroll on down and you see the word Coinbase. Click this and it'll take you over to the website that you can sign up for. So you can buy Shiba, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin. For those of you looking for my address, there it is right here. As everyone is aware of an alternative website, the link is down below in the description. Over here I post original content as well as other videos that have been banned from YouTube. It costs $3 a month to join for unlimited access, and all proceeds go to finding life's purpose. So come on over there and join us. Beware of scammers. That's right, people posing and pretending to be me. How you can tell us apart is real simple. If you post a comment and I respond, you will see a dark circle around my name. See this? It's either gray or black. I won't be sending you to WhatsApp, and I won't be sending you to Telegram or Telegraph or anything like that, nor would I be asking you for money. From time to time, I will be using material that's considered copywritten. I post this just to show that I am exercising my fair use rights. So as I was chatting away with this person, bringing it to my attention, I said, look, Kucoin is the third largest exchange. If the rumors are true, they have the ability to manipulate the price. What is your evidence? Well, they sent me a link. Goes this gentleman's YouTube channel right here. says leaked emails reveal major exchange has been manipulating SHIB for days. Well, yeah, I want to know about that. So let's hear what he has to say, and then I'll react.
Quick awareness around a big situation going on right now. We have a leaked email from a major exchange that is showcasing that they have been manipulating Shiba Inu to the downside for several days now. And this is a major problem. This is coming from an advertising email. And we're just going to take a look at it, spread some awareness, because it even gets worse. And we dive really deep into this rabbit hole. And we're going to be doing that in this.
That's what I'm talking about. Let's do some digging. Let's see how you do.
This video. So this is the email. A screenshot from the email was posted by a Reddit user. Thank you to the person who posted this. And this is what it says. It's literally a prize that they're giving away to encourage people to short Shiba Inu on leverage. That's the worst thing, is they're encouraging their users to.
Okay, first of all, this is not a leaked email. Dun, dun, dun. I'm on Kucoin. I know what they do. Let's see what he says.
Take on a extremely risky investment to short Shiba Inu with 5x leverage, and they're trying to encourage more and more people to do this in this promotional email. It's just insane, and this is a major exchange as well. Dear valued Kucoin user, SHIB/USDT price decreased by 34.6% last week. If you short 1,000 with 5x leverage, now it will be worth 2,730. Go to SHIB contract, profit more from the market fluctuation, and share a reward pool of $5,000. Now, at first, I thought that.
Okay, first and foremost, that's not 5,000, it's 15,000. And you can get these off the Kucoin website. They do email them to you, but this is not a leaked email of some secret. No, it's not at all. Dear value Kucoin user, Shiba price decreased by 34.6% last week. So on the Kucoin website, you can do shorting of cryptos, which I don't like. But I think there's a misinterpretation of what this is saying. What they're saying is, as an example, they're saying Shiba price had decreased by 34.6% last week. If you short 1,000 with 5x leverage, now it would have been worth 2,730. So what they're saying is, based on the decrease in price last week of Shiba, had you done a $1,000 short with 5x leverage, you now would have $2,730. They're not saying go short Shiba, because there's no way to determine the decrease in value, and there's no way to determine what it would have been, what it's worth. There's no way to know how many people are going to participate. What they're doing is they're saying Shiba did decrease 34.6% last week. Had you put 1,000 on 5x leverage, now it would be worth $2,730. And then it says, go trade Shiba. Go trade SHIB contracts. Profit more from the market fluctuation. It doesn't say go put shorts on your SHIB contracts. It doesn't say that. And share in a reward pool of $15,000. So what Kucoin does, just so you know, is they encourage people to be really active on their platform. It's a great way to learn a lot of different things. I'm on Kucoin. So when you first sign in, this is, and I took everything out just in case I'm missing something and one of you little scallywags come and try to take it from me. Anyways, so when you first sign in here to Kucoin, just go up here to the corner, see this, and click it. It takes you to this front page, and if you scroll down, there's the leaked emails. Dun, dun, dun. Of course, I'm teasing. Just hit read more. These are the latest articles. They send out several of these a day. Several. They encourage people to get involved with their platform, and they offer prizes to do so. So all up and down in these articles, they have different types of giveaways, different types of competitions. They have another one, trade SHIB and VRA perpetual contracts, win a share of $30,000. They're not telling people to short contracts. This isn't instructing people to go put a short on a contract. You understand how illegal that would be. That would be right out in the open market manipulation. This is just them giving you an example and then saying go join the competition and get your share of the reward pool, $15,000, not $5,000. As you can see, there's other competitions. But let's hear what else he has to say.
that this had to be a joke. I couldn't believe that this major exchange was trying to get their users to literally use leverage to short one of the most volatile assets in the market right now, essentially encouraging their users to flush money down the toilet. But I went out to their website. This is their official website, and they're still running this campaign.
Take a look at this picture. That's this one here. This one is dated 10/11/2021. This one's dated 11/1 through 11/7/2021. So this is not the same thing. This is a separate competition for $15,000 altogether. This is what I'm trying to say. They have these competitions in here. Nowhere on here does it say anything about if you would have short this or if you would have short that. They were just using it as an example. They want more people to use their platform, get more users on here, and they have a way of teaching you as well. But then they reward you for using their platform. So this isn't telling people to short Shiba. Although if people misunderstand this article like this gentleman did, it's very possible that a nice small batch of people did go put a short on Shiba. Is there enough to cause the price to go down? It's very possible. But Kucoin is not going to put the reputation of their platform on the line by telling people to go manipulate a cryptocurrency. This is just an example of what if. But let's continue.
And that's just insane. I'm assuming that this part here was from an email. This very much looks like an email, and I am not on the
no, I don't know what email you look at. That's not what an email looks like.
Kucoin email. So unfortunately, I don't have access to an official email from them. But this is, all the evidence that I need to see that they're running this campaign right now on their website still currently. And you can read through this, you can do whatever, but it gets actually even worse.
Worse? Well, let's take a quick look again. Maybe I missed something. Dear Kucoin users, to thank all users who continue supporting Kucoin leverage tokens, Kucoin will be launching the leverage token trading competition. So they're launching competitions, and I'm sure what's going to happen is from now on they'll give examples either in the positive or negative just to encourage people. But you can see on here nowhere this gentleman is claiming that they are targeting specifically Shiba coins. And on this particular one, they're not targeting anybody, nor were they targeting anybody on the other one. They're using it as an example. But this guy said they dug down deep. Let's see how deep he dug.
I actually went and dug a little deeper. I looked at Kucoin investors. Anytime something fishy comes up about a company, I always take a look at the investors to see if there's any type of activity going on behind it. And what I saw was actually something really problematic. November 4th, just a few days ago, we saw a new lead investor come into Kucoin. This is Torum, and they're a major investor. I don't have the premium version of Crunchbase, so I don't know how much money they actually put in, but they are considered a lead investor, one of two lead investors. And where this gets really awful is if you go to Torum's Twitter, you will see that Torum is essentially a competing cryptocurrency that competes in a very similar area to Shiba Inu. And they are touting.
What makes you think that Torum is competing with Shiba? Shiba is a meme coin. Torum, if I'm not mistaken, is a gaming coin. So they're not even in the same ballpark. Not even in the same sport. Torum, the metaverse. Please welcome our latest strategic investor, Kucoin Labs, the $50 million research arm of Kucoin. So Kucoin Labs, and they're the research department for Kucoin. So they're not the Kucoin and Torum are not the only ones working on this project together. So let's read it because you kind of scroll through it real quick. Torum, SocialFi, Metaverse. Pioneering the SocialFi, Metaverse, NFT, DeFi, Binance Chain. So you can see here what they said is Torum and Kucoin Labs. This is Kucoin. Kucoin Labs is separate altogether. But let's continue.
Twitter. You will see that Torum is essentially a competing cryptocurrency that competes in a very similar area to Shiba Inu. and they are touting their collaboration with Kucoin. And in my opinion, this is a deliberate manipulation to try to take the energy out away from Shiba Inu and try to, I bet their next move is they're going to try to intersect and advertise Torum a bunch on their platform. And so I think step one for them is to cut down Shiba Inu. Step two is to introduce Torum as a replacement. And honestly, this cannot stand. This is textbook manipulation if this is true. And I'm not here for it. That's why I'm making this video. I'm here to spread awareness. And the good thing is that as a community, we can easily overpower these types of attempts to manipulate the market if we stick together as a community. So I'm doing.
Yeah, well, that's one thing if what you were saying was accurate. One, it's not a leaked email. It's a marketing tool. And you can find it on their platform. Two, they have these competitions all the time. 3, the collaboration is with Kucoin Labs. So it says here, Kucoin Labs launches a $50 million fund to find the next crypto gem. Back in May of 2018, Kucoin had initiated the Kucoin investment and incubation programs. After 2 years of development, the program has brought together a group of crypto experts who have engaged in market research, analysts, investment, and incubation in the crypto industry for a long time. So this guy's got this all wrong. This is not a leaked email. This is just a marketing promotion. There's nothing nefarious here. Torum is now partnering up with Kucoin Labs. As you can see, they tell you right here. Kucoin Investment and Incubation Program. So marketing, research, and analysis and investment. So all they did was join the other people that are part of this group. Kucoin announces officially and proudly the launch of its crypto market analysis and research institution. Furthermore, Kucoin Labs here established $50 million fund to find the next crypto gem. At this moment, Kucoin Labs represents the investment and research force of the Kucoin ecosystem with a group of experts in research and marketing orientation. Kucoin Labs diversifies and intensifies investments into projects at a very early stage to help more builders achieve sustainable growth and success. Torum, I'm thinking, is one of those who are joining Kucoin Labs, do what they need to be more successful.
Torum is essentially a competing cryptocurrency that competes in a very similar area.
Not in a similar
awareness. Twitter, talk about it on Discord this year for Kucoin. I think that Kucoin deserves to use extremely volatile. You can tell in this video I'm a little bit fired up. I want to really take these people down. And
yeah, but you're fired up over nothing. You were supposed to be doing, like you said, I took a real deep dive into, but you didn't. You didn't at all. Did you even look up Kucoin Labs? Did you even see what this project is? This is not a leaked email. Come on, dude. Seriously? Get it together. Anyways, you guys, just be careful when you hear this kind of news. Obviously, Kucoin is the third largest, and if they were caught manipulating, it would be terrible. But that's not the case. There's a huge misunderstanding here. I just wanted to share it with you. Anyways, that's it for now. If you like the video, hit the thumbs up button. If you're not a subscriber, please do so, because when you do, it helps out the channel, and I surely do appreciate it. I'll catch you later. I'm out.